Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your end of the month love reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, yeah, let's start your reading, Pisces. Okay, so kung meron pong mga tanong, message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page, okay? Okay. Pisces. Oops. Okay, masyado namang magulo. Anyari, Pisces. Okay, anyari. Oh, Pisces. You can watch this. So, kung ang iyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus is under Pisces. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa person mo, Pisces? Let's see. Okay, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Some of you, hindi mo na siya kausap. Meron ditong breakup. Meron ditong separation. Meron ditong no contact. Okay? Why the Eight of Wands in reverse? Some of you, binlock ka nito. Pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ooh, Leo. They blocked you. Okay, binlock ka nito. Strength. Eight of Wands in reverse and the Strength. So, may energy na talagang binablock ka nito or may pagpigil dito. Okay, may pagpigil. Nadismaya ka rito. Oo. Nadismaya ka. Oh, anyway. Okay, let's see. Ano bang meron sa sitwasyon nyo? Pwedeng Leo, okay? So, anong meron sa sitwasyon nyo, Pisces? Okay, the Ten of Cups in reverse. Some of you, hindi buo yung family nyo ng taong to. Okay, may nasirang pamilya. Hindi ka masaya ngayon. Oh, may sitwasyong hindi masaya. Yeah, the Star in reverse. May nag-fall out. Okay, may nasayang, merong natapos. Okay? The King of Cups in reverse, some of you hindi ka na talagang mahal nitong taong to. Wala na akong maramdaman. Okay? Some of you, ikaw rin naman is unti-unti na parang nawawala na rin yung feelings mo for this person. Okay, yeah. Nare-release mo na yung sarili mo from the burden, from the stress, mga ganyan. Okay? Gusto mo bang makita kung ano ba talaga yung current na emosyon ng taong to? Anyway, okay, so let's see. Ano ba ang totoong emosyon nito sa'yo? Like current emotion pagdating sa'yo, Pisces. The Ten of Pentacles. Really? Really? The Ten of Pentacles. Why? The Seven of Swords in reverse. Ito Anong taong ito, sabihin nating, iba sa inyo may pera. Habol nito, pera sa'yo, ha? Okay? Yes, didiretsuhin ko. Habol nito sa'yo, pera mo. Some of them, they're still waiting. Oo. Okay? Good thing kung ikaw is totally parang tumatalikod na dito sa sitwasyon nyo. Yeah. Emosyon, the Ten of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords in reverse, they're being practical. They're being practical. Okay? No emotions involved here. Okay? So, let's see anong next action nito towards you. Kung magkakaroon man kayo, ng parang pagkakataon na daupang palad. Oo. Yari na naman. Oo. Kung may pera ka, pera mo ang habol niyan. Okay? They block you. I don't know why. Okay? May something. Why? Why the strength? Bakit may blocking dito? The Devil in reversed. Some of you, May problem sila financially. Okay? The Hanged Man. So, I think, itong taong ito, kaya ito parang ah, kumakalas or talagang tumatalikod na. So, I think, pine-prevent lang niya, na magkaroon pa ng parang ma-attach sa'yo. Parang hindi niya hinahayaan yung sarili niya totally na parang masabing karelasyon ka. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know. Hindi ito totally sabihin nating seryoso pagdating sa'yo. Kahit may anak kayo, kahit may pamilya kayo ng taong to. Yeah. Ayaw ng mga to nang mag-e-effort sila. Some of them may katamaran talaga, Pisces. Okay? Mayroon. Ayaw nila nun. Okay? So, maybe, siguro noon, kung kayo nung magkasama kayo, palagi kang ikaw yung parang nasusunod or ikaw yung palaging sabihin nating kailangan niyang gumawa ng something para may makuha lang sa'yo. Parang ganun. I think hindi nila kaya yung responsibility, hindi nila kaya yung mga pag-e-effort na yan because they're too lazy. Yeah. Masyado silang tamad sa buhay. Okay, wala kang aasahan sa kanya actually. Magaling lang to sa pera. Okay? Sa pagkuha ng pera. And alam mo yun, Pisces. This is specific. Hindi to para sa lahat. Alam ko na merong makaka-resonate dito. Okay. Next action ng taong to towards you, Pisces. Next action. The Emperor in reverse. The maturity. Okay. Why the Emperor in reverse? That's control over you. Okay. The Emperor in reverse. Yes, may pagbalik dito. Yari. Hindi nito hayaan na mawala yung control niya sa'yo. Okay? The King of Pentacles. They want this. They want this. Okay? And sex. If ever. Pero, yes, pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo, walang mangyayaring improvement dito. Oo, wala kang aasahan actually. Yeah. So, may pagbalik. Kukontrolin ka. Okay? So, it's not healthy. Gusto nito, ikaw yung gagaod para sa kanya. Yeah. Outcome. Let's see. Pisces. Excuse me. The Tower. Oh my God. The Tower. Expect nyo. Okay? Lahat ng hindi mo ina-expect pagbalik nito. Okay? So, outcome, pwede ring separation. The Magician. Okay. The Tower and the Magician. Hindi mo to ina-expect. Actually. There is a reconnection na pwedeng mangyari, pero mabubuwag din naman. Okay? Feeling mo trap ka, feeling mo under control ka, parang, yeah, not healthy. Okay? Some of you, kung ikaw nagmo-move on, mag-move on ka na lang. Okay? Wag mo nang hayaan na makapasok pa ito sa buhay mo. Actually, wag na. Mas maganda na kung kayo is no contact ng taong ito. Nandyan ka na sa safe, sa safe na sinasabi. Yeah. Okay? Wala. This is failure. Na sinasabi. Mahal lang nito pera mo kung may pera ka. Okay? Meron siyang something like practicality sa sarili. practical. This is so specific kasi ang nakukuha ko rito is Pisces na may pera. Okay? Kayang mag-provide anything for them. For this person's needs. Okay? So, kung ganun, asahan mo po na may chance na bumalik to, pero kukontrolin ka niya. Andyan yung pananakot niya. Okay? So, expect nyo separation. Don't expect anything na maganda pag to bumalik. Okay? Hayaan nyo na lang, kung kayo is nagmo-move on na from this person, is hayaan nyo na lang na mag-move on kayo. Hayaan nyo na lang po, no? Pagpatuloy nyo na lang para if ever kumontak ito, hindi ka na masyado magbibigay pansin. Oo. Okay? So, yeah. Black. Madaling gumawa ng account, madaling mag-reach out. Wala yung black na yan. Okay? So, walang hadlang, oo, sa taong may plano talaga eh. Yes, di ba? Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Pisces. So, gawin nyo pong gabay yun, ha? Okay? Yung ating reading na to. Aries. Oh, they want to take a risk. Like, bahala na si Batman. Okay. Taurus. Okay, they're detaching, letting go, moving on, going away. Gemini. They're being mature. Cancer. There's third party involved. There's wala nang magandang kooperasyon with this Cancerian. Leo. There's a pause. Okay? May nag-stop. Parang ganyan. Virgo. Manipulations. Ang daming manipulations coming from this Virgo. Some of them, tinatalikuran ka na niya. Okay? Libra. They're selfish. Okay? Some of them, sabihin natin nagagawa lang sila ng healthy boundaries. Or you need to have healthy boundaries from this Libra. So, Scorpio. Okay. So, pwedeng merong mag-unblock na Scorpio. Yeah. Sagittarius. Mag-guard down sila. Yeah. Capricorn. They're stalking you. Yeah, they're stalking you. Aquarius, they're moving on. Pisces. Okay, so focus on something more important. Okay? Itong nakuha ko. Some of you, this Pisces, still loves you, still wants you. Or maybe, just as simple as they want to reconnect. They just want to reconnect. They just want to talk to you. Ganun lang. Okay? Nothing more. Oo. No more, no less. Yeah. The Lover's Universe. So, wala akong nakikitang pakikipag-relasyon muli. Okay? Simple lang na pakikipag-reconnect. Okay? So, yun lang nakukuha ko. So, there. Yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.